Hello students, today we'll begin with a new poem, Fire and Ice. In the last session we have seen dust and snow. The poem Fire and Ice is also as simple as dust and snow was. This poem is written by Robert Frost, a very beautiful poem, a short poem but very deep in meaning. Robert Frost has described fire, or you can say has resembled fire as desire of humans, and he has resembled ice to be hatred amongst human beings. Here, what Robert Frost tries to explain us is that the world is going to come to an end. It, of course, is going to come to an end, but it will end in either of the two ways, either by fire or by ice. That is, either human desires will bring humans to an end, or either human hatred will bring them to an end. Because it is very simple. जब किसी इंसान की इच्छाएं बहुत बढ़ जाती है, दैट इज़ डिज़ायर्स बहुत बढ़ जाती है, तो वो अपने आप को आगे लाने के लिए दूसरों को नुकसान पहुंचाता है. एंड हियर दैट इज़ व्हाट दैट डिस्ट्रॉयज दी पीस एज वेल एज you can say harmony amongst human beings. And if not by fire, if not by desires, but the world will come to end by ice at least. Ice here, as I said, is hatred. हम किसी को अगर आगे बढ़ते देखते हैं तो नॉट एवरी वन एक्चुअली, एक्सेप्शंस आर ऑलवेज देयर, बट कुछ लोग होते हैं जो दूसरों का अच्छा होते हुए नहीं देख सकते. हम सोचते हैं कि हम उसकी जगह पे क्यों नहीं है, हम उसको बुरा बना देते हैं दूसरों के सामने. And that is some way or the other coming out because of hatred that we have inside us for that person. And this hatred is going to bring the world to an end. Because if we live in peace, if we love each other, then only the world will be a better place to live in, otherwise not. And so here Robert Frost says that some say the world will end in fire, that is by human desires, and some say that is in ice, that means hatred. From what I have tasted of desire, that means what Robert Frost says is what he has experienced of desire, that is fire. I hold with those who favor fire. That means he believes that fire is something that is going to bring the world to an end, that is desires. But if it had to perish twice, that means if the world has to end up twice, कुछ बाकी रह गया और उसको भी अगर destroy होना है, तो the poet thinks that I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great. That means कुछ अगर बचा कुचा रह गया होगा जो फायर नहीं, मतलब कि डिज़ायर्स नहीं डिस्ट्रॉय कर पाई होगी, तो वो डिस्ट्रॉय होगा हेट्रेड से, मतलब कि आइस से. एंड दैट वुड सफाइस एंड दैट विल बी इनफ टू डिस्ट्रॉय एवरीथिंग. देन कुछ नहीं बचा रहेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वॉज योर पोएम फायर एंड आइस. A very beautiful poem, a short poem. Hope you have understood. We'll see the figures of speech and rhyming scheme in the next session of the same poem. Thank you.